Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mushroom soup for baby. Start by choosing button or cremini mushrooms and washing them thoroughly, then gently sauté with a little olive oil. Add low-sodium vegetable or chicken stock and simmer until soft, about 10 minutes. Blend until velvety and cool to a safe temperature, aiming for a warm, not hot, serving. Offer a teaspoon first and wait to observe any reactions before increasing the portion. Gather simple ingredients: mushrooms, a small carrot for sweetness, 1 cup low-sodium stock, and a teaspoon of olive oil. Chop the mushrooms into even pieces so they cook uniformly, and grate the carrot for gentle sweetness. Sauté briefly until fragrant and softened, taking care not to brown heavily. Cool slightly, then transfer to a blender with a splash of stock and blend until ultra-smooth, adding more liquid as needed for baby-safe viscosity. Keep the heat moderate and avoid overcooking to retain nutrients and a pleasant mushroom aroma that babies can accept. If your baby is under 6 months or has reflux, strain the blended soup through a fine sieve for extra smoothness. Portion into small airtight containers or ice cube trays for freezing, label with date, and thaw gently before serving. Reheat only to a warm temperature and stir well to avoid hot spots when using a microwave.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.